And then you can also diffuse 2 drops each of Petitgrain, lemon, and lime oil in an 8-hour diffuser. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of Petitgrain essential oil. Petitgrain essential oil is derived from the bitter orange tree, which has a long history of use in traditional health practices. Historically, Petitgrain essential oil has been used for cleaning purposes, and it has been used internally to support healthy immune system and nervous system function. Emerging scientific evidence provides support for these traditional and other uses as well. There are 3 essential oils derived from the bitter orange tree. Petitgrain is distilled from the leaves and twigs of the tree, neroli essential oil is distilled from the blossoms, and bitter orange oil is produced by cold pressing the rinds of the fruit. Petitgrain is widely used in the perfume industry, giving body sprays, fragrances, lotions, and colognes a fresh herbaceous note that is popular among both women and men. By sourcing Petitgrain from Paraguay through doTERRA's Co-Impact Sourcing Initiative, doTERRA is able to support the needed rural community development projects and provide diversified income for small-scale farmers. This approach provides an economically viable alternative to clear-cutting land and dramatically helping to protect the remaining patches of the Atlantic rainforest in eastern Paraguay. The top 3 common uses of doTERRA's Petitgrain are aromatic, so breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internally. Petitgrain's main benefits are that it supports cardiovascular function, boosts immunity, and promotes restful sleep, and is also known as the manly lavender. That's right. The directions for use are taking 1 to 2 drops of Petitgrain in a veggie capsule with about 8 ounces of water, and you want to choose glass or stainless steel, or a ceramic mug will work, and alkaline, reverse osmosis, or distilled water are ideal for that. And I like to choose doTERRA's veggie caps, so you just take one out, like so. You put the essential oil inside, and then you take with that food and water for best results there. And then you can also diffuse 2 drops each of Petitgrain, lemon, and lime oil in an 8-hour diffuser, like doTERRA's Aroma Light diffuser, or you can choose the Lumo diffuser from doTERRA, and this will help to clean the air and uplift the mood. You can also add 1 to 2 drops with a fractionated coconut oil and rub on your body after a shower to moisturize your skin. And I like to use doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil right here. So this is a carrier oil, non-greasy, no smell, helps the essential oil absorb better into your skin, reduces the chance of irritation from the essential oil, and it covers larger surface areas of your body when you use the fractionated coconut oil first. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below to continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.